Hi everyone, in this video we are going to create an Android app with AI. Tool we are going to use here is Cursor and Android Studio. Here we are going to create an note app. First I am going to open the Android Studio. So going to click new project and going to click empty activity and click next. Now going to name the project Notes app and give the location for the project. Then click finish. Once project is created, by default it will set up the build configuration. So once done, click the device manager and start the emulator. So once done, run the app. So app is running successfully. Now open the Cursor app, Cursor application. This is the first window of Cursor application. Here select editor window. Now open the Android app just created. Once opened, we have to give prompt to the AI chat window. So I have already created prompt. Prompt is to create the Note Android app. The features are create note, edit note, delete note, search note. I am going to copy it and paste in the chat window and click send button. Once done, it will start generating the code. So code is generated. Now open the Android Studio and click sync project with Gradle file button. So project it is setting up the build configuration for the updated project. So once done, run the app. So it is showing some error. Just copy the error and paste in the Cursor chat window and click the send button. It will analyze the bug and it will fix it. It asking some confirmation. Just click on it. Again asking the confirmation. I am going to click the button. So once problem resolved, I am going to open the Android Studio and I am going to sync the project with the Gradle file. So once done, click the run button. So app is running successfully. I'm going to maximize the window. So AI has created the note app. I'm going to give the demo. As we have given the prompt, we have the create note feature. So I'm going to create a note. For example, buy fruits. Name some fruits: apple, grape, banana. Save it. Now I'm going to add another note. For example, buy vegetables and name some vegetables: potato, save it. So I'm going to, if you want, we can edit some fruits here. So we have edit feature. Thanks for watching this video.